Okay, this is the third part of the next part of this video. This one here, again, was the Mr. Clean. This one was the vinegar, and this was both with a cupful of acetone. And as you can see, adding the acetone, adding the mixtures together with the acetone, in my opinion, this movement turned out a lot better than the others. So there you have it. Adding Mr. Clean, vinegar, acetone, and Dawn dish detergent, along with distilled water, 50%, mixing it 50-50, except for the acetone. You don't want to add too much acetone. And whatever you do, make sure you rinse the movements off afterwards. And whatever you do, do not put them in the cleaning solution whole like I did for this experiment. I hope y'all enjoyed these videos. We have one more video to show you, and then you decide for yourself what you want to use. Hope y'all enjoying these videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.